Let's get learning with Santino.
Hi everyone, it's time for a quick burst of maths. One 10 frame makes 10. How many do two 10 frames make? 10, 20. Watch as I roll a die to feel the 10 frames and reach 20. Here's my first roll. What number? 5. I'll place 5 counters on my 10 frame. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll roll again. What number? 6. Will adding 6 counters mean we have more than one 10 frame filled or less than a full 10 frame? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Have I reached 20 yet? No. We have one 10 frame and one more. What number? 11. Let's roll again. What number? 3. Count as I add 3 more. 1, 2, 3. How many do I have now? 10 and 4. 14. How many more to make 20? Let's roll. What number? 4. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're getting close to 20 now. How many more do I need to roll? Just 2 empty spaces left. Here we go. What number? 4 again. Can I add this amount to the 10 frame? No. I need to roll again for the exact amount. What number? 2. 1, 2. Hooray! We made it to 20. Have a go at rolling to 20. How many turns will it take you? Well, that was quick and we were done in a click.